and today we're going to unbox another present for my dad. Yay! It's time to open it. I can't open it. I'll just use scissors. I'm so excited. It's hard to open. Okay, I think this is enough. You can open it. What is this? Ah! It's so cute! It's so cute! Pencil sharpener! It's so cute! Guys, look! It's a capybara pencil sharpener. I can use this at school. I gotta test it first though. Okay, let's see. Wow, look, it's so sharp. It's so cute. Even at the back, it has some. So guys, I can use this at school for sharpening my pencil in case if it's broken. Because like, instead of doing like this, you have to do this. It's way better. And I like it so much because it's capybara. My friends also likes capybara too, but I like it. Thanks, Dad. Bye. Like and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell for more awesome learning videos!